This video will show you how to get Cronus Zen Studio on your Mac. So to run the Cronus Zen Studio on your Mac, you need to set up a Windows environment as Zen Studio is exclusively designed for Windows. You need to install a Windows environment on your Mac. Use Apple's Boot Camp Assistance to install Windows 10 or 11. For Apple Silicon Macs, just like M1, M2, and 3, you need to go to this site right here, UTM, in order to run a Windows on Apple Silicon Macs. Next is to visit the official Cronus downloads page to download the latest version of Zen Studio for Windows. Install Zen Studio within your Windows environment, then connect and set up your Cronus Zen. Use the provided USB cable to connect your Cronus Zen to your Mac. Launch Zen Studio in Windows, and if prompted, update the firmware of your Cronus Zen. And that is all. You need to register your device and configure your preferred game packs and scripts.